Welcome and check out this amazing 3-piece glass etching stencil, set for personalized crafts and gifts. This kit features classic vintage alphabets and a crest pattern for wine glasses or mirrors. The adhesive backing makes application simple and allows you to peel and reuse the templates easily. Use them for sandblasting or painting to create stunning wedding and anniversary decor. The included disposable brush helps you apply your creams smoothly for professional-looking results. Elevate your next DIY project and make unforgettable custom gifts today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.